Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley, and today we're going to be doing a super simple beginner friendly install featuring MyFirstWig. Now you guys already know if there is a hair company on the market that caters to us women who are beginner friendly or just beginner skilled when it comes to installing wigs. MyFirstWig is definitely a go-to. They offer really nice quality wigs. You can get all different lengths, colors, textures, styles, and a lot of the times they'll come pre-styled. So this one already came set as a side part bob. They already did a really nice color job on it, and it already was a vibe. On top of that, the cap construction usually is really nice, and you're able to wear their wigs glueless. So what that means is for this one, you guys will see this is going to be a glueless install. Now me personally, I do have small children, so I do like to add a little bit of something. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of an extreme hold hairspray, which is literally just a hairspray you typically would use when like you're curling your hair. I'm going to tack it down in the front center, and you'll see how that works out in just a moment. But literally it's not glued down, and with a little bit of water it's just gonna fall off. Also, you'll see throughout the video that my hair in the video, I did do like a little feather bang beautiful situation, and that's how we're gonna end the video. And you'll probably see that in the thumbnail and pictures as well. But the night has progressed. I went out to eat, have fun with the kids and my husband. We've been home, you know, hanging out, watching movies and stuff, and I wanted to come back and give you guys an intro because I didn't do that in the end. The hair again has held up very nicely, and I'm sure it'll hold up really nicely throughout the week. But the curl did fall because I just did like one pass, and I really didn't like make it like a curl. I kind of just gave it a little bit of body with that curl. So I just wanted to show you guys like when that falls, if you don't want like any curl or crimp or bump to it, it still gives a nice, beautiful, simple statement vibe. Very fitting for the spring season. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video.
I fell in love with Ashley. Down in Miami, we got nasty. I'm not ashamed, I'm not ashamed.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you just slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize, no, we won't waste any more time, yeah. I am all that I need. No need to apologize, no, we won't waste any more time, yeah. You're still stuck on my mind. You won't go away. It's like you are a part of me, the mansion in my dreams. Now you won't be there, and I just can't ignore that it won't.
So you need a little break, huh? Boy, say you need a little space, yeah. Boy, is it 'cause you can't be faithful? Boy, hope she's cool, unlike you. You ain't ready for a girlfriend, no. 'Cause you think I'll steal your weekends, no. So you make up shitty reasons for want it out. See, I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad for you. You think I'm crazy, but I know I am. You're losing your patience, I already have. Don't try to change me, I'm just the way I am. Don't try to save me, 'cause I can't be saved. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm not good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other friends. Calling each other friends. Don't try to please me, not sure that you can. Don't get me started, babe, 'cause this is the end. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm not good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep.
I'm ready. You get me? I'm about to come get him right now. Tell him to come up. I'm ready. Bye. Okay, my husband is looking for me. Okay, so my husband is looking for me. So let's just make this quick and sweet. I really wanted to do an outro talking to you guys about this wig. So you guys already know this one came from MyFirstWig. As always, they have superior prime premium packaging. The wig itself came in a sleeve like so, of course embedded in a box with a bunch of tons of goodies. So this one here is a 10-inch 100%. So this one here is a 10-inch 100% Malaysian hair lace wig. The cap construction is 13 by 4.5 HD Swiss lace. The lace color is light brown, and if I missed anything, all the details are listed in the description box. So you guys seen, this one was a very simple install. I do have a size 1 cap, which is the smallest size, and I really like when they send a size 1 or the small cap, because even though this is a frontal and ear frontal, I'm able to do that thing where it almost fits glueless. Well, it does fit glueless. Okay, I'm coming right now, okay? So I'm able to do that thing where the wig pretty much fits glueless. If you have one of those wig grip bands, you can put it under and it'll fit and sit just right. But you guys know I like to use a little bit of a glueless spray to go in and help it to just look melted even more. And so I went ahead and did that, and as you guys can see, it fits how I like. I don't really like the sideburn tabs the way I used to, so that worked out perfect. Also, I did utilize one of the wig caps that was in the package, They did provide a wig band, so I'm gonna try this out tomorrow. I'm sure it's gonna lift after I shower and, you know, run around with the kids. So I'm gonna use this tomorrow and see how that goes. They also included some N95 masks. We are coming out of a pandemic, but we still are in a pandemic, so that was very helpful. A set or a fresh bottle of their wig tamer, and then this cool little pouch. You guys know they love to send these reusable pouches. I love these so much, and I have a few, and I like to use these to like organize all of my hair products. So it has their logo on both sides, and it has that nice like pinstripe. They did give me a comb. The comb does have their name on it. And then they also gave me 2 wig clips, and that works perfect for me. So the wig itself, if you go on the website, I have it linked, the direct link to this wig in the description box. So if you go in and you try to purchase this one, it'll be, the color will be same as picture, but you can get it, I believe, in at least 1 or 2 other colors, maybe more. And I love, love, love the color variation. It's very work safe. It's very appropriate for all seasons. I don't think this is one that has to be like fall or winter or summer or spring. The length is very nice, very, very much grown woman, very to the point. I did liven it up a little bit with a little bit of baby hair, something that you definitely don't have to do, but you guys know me, I definitely love a little quick baby hair. And yeah, everything we use is listed and linked in the description box. My family's ready to go to dinner, so I'm gonna go ahead and catch up with them. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!